So you want to lose some weight. You got a
Big bag, big bag.
You want to slim that face, huh? So these are the exact steps that I took in order to lose 30 pounds in 3 months in preparation for my wedding. Okay, these are my results. Let's get into it. So if you see me looking down, I'm looking at my notes. So the very first thing that you need to focus on is getting your protein in, okay? Aim for insert your amount of weight, okay? I'm 184 pounds and my goal for the day is to get 184 grams of protein in. Okay, you can go ahead and do the math equation and do 0.8 times your weight and get that number. But to keep it simple, just your weight equals the amount of protein that you should be consuming daily in order to reach your goals. So one way that I get that in as a vegan is making sure that I'm consuming the high protein tofu, okay? I'm making sure that I'm consuming nutritional yeast. I'm also making sure that I aim for snacks like edamame and protein shakes in order to get those numbers, in order to hit that big old number, because I gotta lose this weight, baby. I'm on another weight loss journey, so this is exactly what I'm doing as well. The next thing that you need to do, as far as focusing on your nutrition, is making sure that you're consuming enough fiber. So many times we are not eating our vegetables, okay? Try to aim for a half a cup of vegetables per meal. It sounds insane. It's not forever. It's just for the next 90 days.
But did you die?
You're gonna be good, okay? I would strongly advise you to avoid vegan processed food or processed food in general if you are not a vegan, okay? Cut out the cookies, cakes, and pies. Aim for the more whole foods. Okay, we're not gonna be consuming that type of stuff just for 90 days, okay? And you'll be surprised, your taste buds are gonna change so quickly. It typically takes 21 days for your taste buds to change. Heavily addicted you are to sugar, but you'll be fine. You'll be fine because you got goals, okay? And also, when you are consuming these foods, okay, when you are starting your lifestyle change, your temporary lifestyle change for 90 days to lose 30 pounds, okay, you can do this. Make sure that you are in a caloric deficit. So I would aim for a caloric deficit of 800. Now, before you're just like, oh my gosh, I'm turning off this video, it's impossible. You could get the caloric deficit from working out. So take a little bit off of your food. Okay, eat less, move more, calorie deficit done. So the second thing that you would do, that I would advise you to do, is incorporate strength training. Now, the reason why you want to incorporate strength training 5 to 6 days per week is so that you could go ahead and burn the fat and burn even more calories. You can do something a little bit more glute focused. Just don't train your glutes every single day because they will dissipate. So one of the things that I did in order to get this training in every single day, okay, because it's 5 to 6 days per week, but I get it in every single day. And the way that I do it is by keeping one of these little kettlebells underneath my desk. So typically I am working 12 hours a day on the Fit Fine Flawless. And of course I have my other business as well. And I'm just lifting weights, okay? I got this underneath my desk. So in between meetings, in between anything that I'm doing, I can go ahead and do a couple kettlebell swings, do some walking lunges, anything like that to really get in the strength training. Now, the cool thing is that you don't have to do it all at once. You can really break down your workouts daily. So my typical day looks like fasted cardio in the morning. I have a treadmill and I hop on that treadmill first thing in the morning for an hour. I'm either watching a show or watching Devo Energy, shout out Rock City, for an hour just to get that out of the way. Then I would take my shower, consume my coffee with protein inside of it, and later on that day, I'll be here in my office, and I have this little kettlebell underneath my desk, and I get a little 10-minute kettlebell workout in. It does not need to be difficult. Have this like fit into your daily life. Don't stress about it. You good. You good. Have it fit into your life. Okay. I will also encourage you to get in 10K steps per day. If you could just hit three times per week, you'll be fine. But honestly, if you could get in every single day, you'll reach your goals even faster. And when you're doing your 3 miles a day, make sure it's fasted. Okay, that means just water. If you are a little bit hungry, you can consume the chia water that I mentioned on TikTok, I believe. So what I do is I put 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and then 2 tablespoons of key lime. Okay, I do that and I let that sit for like 30 minutes and then I drink on it throughout the day. Now, the third thing, that's perfect because it leads into the third thing that's going to reach your success. Okay. The third thing that you need to do is make sure that you are hydrated, because there's a lot of times when we think that we're hungry, but we're actually just thirsty. Okay. You're just thirsty. You're not hungry. You're thirsty. Not hungry. You're what? Thirsty. Okay. So go ahead and drink a cup of water before every single meal, because our goal for the next 90 days, not forever, is getting in a gallon of water a day. Okay, go ahead and add some flavored BCAAs into that gallon of water. Go ahead and add some chlorophyll, some key lime, anything that you want added into the water. Okay, go on Water Talk and find something cute that you could drink on that's sugar-free, preferably. Also, what you can do to also get this water in your body is drinking herbal teas. Now, my 2 favorite herbal teas at the moment are green tea as well as dandelion tea. And my staple is always spearmint tea, because I do have PCOS, so it helps with hair growth on the face. Okay, it helps with that. So go ahead and reach for dandelion tea or green tea instead of your second cup of coffee, and you'll be good to go. And that does count towards your water goal. Now, sleep. Sleep is your best friend. Make sure that you're getting in at least 7 hours a day. Listen, I know we're all busy grown-ups, okay, or almost grown-ups, or busy individuals, period. And we're like, I can't sleep. Go ahead and sleep for 7 hours, at least 7 hours. I got a little, it's like a knockoff Oura ring that tracks my sleep. Baby, listen, on average, I was getting 4 to 5 hours of sleep. So I'm prioritizing my sleep in this season in order to lose weight even more quickly, because it does balance out your hormones and boost your metabolism. So those are 2 things that we really want, right?
We love this.
Let's go to sleep. Okay? Now, a bonus tip, because I had 3 main things. A bonus tip is for y'all to try fasting, okay? Don't eat until 10. Just don't eat until 10. And then stop eating at like 9. So you get 11 hours worth of food that you could just go ahead and play with. So just to recap, the things that you need to focus on is prioritizing your protein, okay? That is number 1. I gave y'all some helpful tips on how to do that. Number 2 is making sure that you're doing strength training and cardio daily. Go ahead and go for a walk. You can put on a weighted vest. You can do anything like that. Just make sure that you're moving your body daily. And remember, you could get a little kettlebell from Five Below. # no excuses. Number 3 is making sure that you're hydrated, because you're not hungry, you are thirsty. Let's keep it moving, okay? Hopefully these tips help. Also, the way that I was able to maintain the size and shape of my butt is by using the thicker than a sticker cream, okay? That really did change the game for me. So I was not concerned about me losing my butt when I was losing weight, because I know a lot of us, we don't want to really lose weight because we're afraid we're going to lose our curves. I'm here to assure you that you will maintain your curves. Even if you're on that shot that makes your body go and makes you not hungry, y'all know what I'm talking about. It's going to help you, okay? The thicker than a stick cream helped maintain my glutes. Now, the other thing that I did in order to make sure that I was still staying snatched was using the Get Snatched cream. Now, that cream helps me with sweat loss. I don't know about y'all, but one thing that happens when I reach a certain weight, I do not sweat the way that I should. So that means that my body is not properly detoxing out all the crap in my body. Typically, I'm like a real heavy sweater, but when I reach a certain weight, my body's just like, we ain't gonna sweat, we good. Nah, you fine, sis, you good. You are fine. So the Get Snatch cream helps me lose that additional water retention around my waist. And one thing that I did before my wedding was actually use the Get Snatch cream on my face with one of those chin straps that you could get. So it's like one of those little things. I'll insert a picture of it. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, okay? Listen, let's build up this community. If you would like an additional discount, go ahead and drop down below discount, or just use code YouTube. Use code YouTube at thefitfineflawless.com and you will save a ton of money. I'm here to help you with your glow up and to help you feel more comfortable in your daily body. So I love y'all. Stay blessed, stay prosperous, and remember to always remain flawless. Deuces.